Right, I'm going to take you over and show you what Francis is doing. But before I do that, I'd like to say thank you to our current subscribers and the new subscribers. If you haven't seen the previous videos of where we've been doing the front edging of the house, you maybe will want to go back onto those and catch up with what we were doing and where we left off. We're going to continue that today and do some other jobs around the house. But yeah, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to, please subscribe to see more videos. We really do appreciate you being on board with us. It really does help the channel grow. And if you'd like to leave any comments, we do like comments, and we will answer them. Please feel free to do so. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you again soon.
Fixed. The old shoe scraper.
Yeah.
What was that?
That's been for the boot scraper, isn't it? Is that a wheel?
It is, yeah. What's that for?
It's like wheels.
They look like wheels, but John could be or not. It might have been old ones.
Strange. That's the boot scraper, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like bends in the middle, isn't it?
It's all stolen anyway, then.
That's what Fran's done so far, and he's working his way along the edging. He's just pouring in concrete, apparently where the old concrete still is. Some of the old concrete is. This concrete edging, as we said in earlier videos, is to keep the rain and water away from the house. Just a little job to make a difference.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's another job Fran's got to do today. We've just removed, there's always been polystyrene on there. And we always thought there was a window behind it, so he's going to block that in today. Goes into the cellar, but that part of the cellar is blocked in for some reason. Whereas this side of the house, that's got a window in it. We thought that one had a window in it. That's the other side of the cellar, and that is not blocked in. You can actually walk around in that cellar. It's quite big. Yep.
This is the concrete edge all finished now. So what I'm going to do is going to put some of this, I wouldn't say it was the best for this, but it'll do. Putting this soil down just to take it to this level and then feather it through and a bit of grass seed it. Then I've got to do this here. I've just poured that of silicone around it, but that's all going to be painted the same colour as the step. But I've got to repair that corner. So once this is all done, then I'll go in and I'll repair that corner of the wall.
Yeah.
Because it looks a mess.
So the steps getting painted, isn't it? We cement washed it, but we decided to paint it, haven't we?
Yeah, it's got to paint it because it just doesn't look right, does it?
No, it's patchy, isn't it?
What I'll do is I'll stamp all this soil in so it's nice and compacted.
I think you need a few more bags over, don't you?
Yeah, well, what I'll do is for now I want to get this in, and I want to compact all in, stamp on it.
Yeah.
Put my boots on and do that.
Fran's just put the soil and the grass seed down. He's put the soil to match up to the same level as the edging. That edging over there is what he done yesterday. And it looks a bit dark, and that's because it's still not dry yet. When it dries out, it'll go that colour. I think he's gone over the top with the grass seed. I think the birds will have a field day eating on some of that. But we'll see how it goes. It looks nice. Just ready to be finished off. That'll be in next week's video. That step is all going to be finished, hopefully, weather permitting, and painted. So that's it so far. It's a slow process because of the rain. We haven't been able to get out here, but now the weather's picked up, we can get the rest of the outside jobs done. So on to the next job now. So what's your next job now?
So we've got to go and do that fence in the orchard, haven't we? Get down, get it done out the way.
We'll get that done.
What else have we got to do besides that?
I can't remember.
Oh, you want to do your plant stories and stuff on here?
Oh yeah,
the new plants.
Yeah.
I would love to dig that path out and put an only concrete path in, but what point is that?
Which path?
It's a mess, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the path. And it is an eyesore. It's been like that for years. Actually, we uncovered that path. It was actually covered in grass. And we uncovered it. But we're selling the property and we can't see any point of wasting money. Because we think whoever buys the property, we think they'll probably come in and do their own path anyway. Plans where we were digging all that out. If we were going to be staying here, we were going to dig all this out I'm putting a pathway into the barn. All these steps were going to be replaced, and obviously the path was going to be replaced as well, and all this for us to drive the car on, because as you can see, when it gets wet, the car gets stuck in the mud. And we were going to actually put an extension on the house to make the house bigger, but we decided we want to go down south in the Charente area or Limousin area, rather than us keep putting too much money into this property. We're going to spend it on another property. So I'm going to give you an update on the vegetables I planted here. These are actually flowers I've planted, and the names are, let me see, I think they're petunia. These are the mixed herbs. They're growing nicely. More carrots. Peppers. Peppers have just started to grow. It's taken ages, but see that there? It's a tiny little thing. So that's just started to grow. They're cauliflowers, what I planted a few weeks ago. These ones up here, more cauliflower, and they're the same there. Carrots there. They're mixed herbs as well. The mixed herbs are coming on really well. And these are some sweet pea I planted a few weeks ago. I also bought these 2 pots here for the front garden. Huge pots from a buffet, a brocante. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant some flowers in there. Once the flowers start getting bigger, I'll plant some nice flowers in there for the front garden. They were only €5 for the pair. And that's a real bargain. Due to wind noise, I've had to do a voiceover. This cheeky little girl has been very mischievous today. When Fran and I were in the orchard doing the fence, she decided to roll over in fox poo. She absolutely stinks, and she's not happy because I've taken her out of the fox poo. She likes rolling about in it. She does it so many times. This is the worst we've seen her. Now she has to have a shower and she's not happy. She's got her head down soaking. She doesn't like getting a shower. She's got it in the ears and everywhere. Your likes, subscribes and comments mean a lot to us. So if you enjoyed this video today, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. See you all next week.